Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you here how to create here this short snowman animation. So today guys, we are going to be starting here with how to build the snowman. Okay, so let's go ahead here. I'm just going to show you here this animation here that I quickly created here in like 30 minutes. So you see here, it just twirls around, no moving parts, not difficult. Okay. So let's go ahead here and open a new project. And let's delete this square. So if we go back to that snowman project, you see here the snowman here is made out of geometric shapes. So you see here the hat here is made out of the cylinder and this ring. The nose is a cone and the eyes are very thin cylinders. And the body, of course, are spheres, and the buttons are also spheres. So let's return. Let's just delete this square here. And let's go ahead here and add a UV sphere. And, alright, you can scale it here or however you want. So let's just press S and just drag like that. And just use your own imagination. There's no really rules in this. Add another UV sphere here. And you can see here in this case, these whatever you call this ring here was out of place. So you see here the cylinder was added here, not in the center. And you want your shapes to summon here in the origin. So go ahead and press X and delete, and press Shift C. So now you see here it's back in the origin. So now if we add a UV sphere, you can't see it now because it's covered, but you can see here it's in the center. So go ahead here, use S and just scale it again, however you want. So yep, let's make it a little smaller here. And when you press S, you can see here on the bottom left, there's scale and there's X and there's colon 1.000, and you can use that. So you can see here if I press X, you can see here now I can press like 1.25. So now it will just scale it like that with the X axis. So let's go ahead here and make sure it's still in the origin and add another UV sphere. Now when you add it here, you can scale it a little and make it a little smaller. Okay, so let's just kind of just play around with this and just, try to make this to good size. Here, let's look at it from the camera mode, the 0. Let's just go ahead and select all these here with Shift, with the left click. And now if you go to Tool, you see there's this button that says Join. So press that, and now you can see here it's one shape. Alright, so now go to 0, and you see here it's not all on the camera, its head is like shaved off. So you want to press S again, and just scale it. And now just pull it down like that. So now it's direct all on the camera. Let's get out of camera mode. And time for the nose. Now let's add a cone. And you see here it's pointing up. And you don't want the nose to be pointing up. That would just be weird. So press R. And you can see on the bottom left it says rot, which stands for rotation. So you can go ahead here and type X, Y, or Z. That's the axis. So in this case, I'm going to be typing X. And or Y, it doesn't really matter. And now you can choose, you can be 90, so like that, or 270. So either will rotate the cone so that it's pointing forwards. So I'm going to go 90, and now you want to scale this thing. And let's go ahead and zoom up. Let's make it a little smaller here. And just put it on like that. So now you have a nose. You want to go ahead and Shift C and add this ring. And obviously it's too oversized, and I mean if you pull it up, it's not really a hat. And again, it's optional. You don't always have to add a tall hat like I do. You can add, I don't know, you can add a cowboy hat, or something else like a sword or a feather or hair even. And yeah, for this project though, just while we scale this, we're not actually adding bones here, and we'll do that later here in later episodes. This is just going to be very simple. And now look at it, it might even be a headband or something. But let's go ahead and add a cylinder. This thing is way too big again. But let's go ahead and drag it up and scale this thing until it's the right size. So now we have a top hat here. Well, that looks pretty awesome. Let's go ahead here. And let's actually, I don't actually want the nose to be a little bit, yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, I think that's good. I'm not going to exactly copy everything from the other project here, or not the animation or anything, but, I'm going to make it, I'm going to make my snowman similar here, but let's select all of these here and join them. So now it's all one thing. So let's undo that. Okay, the snowman's looking pretty awesome right now. And now just put this here where you want the first eye. So now you press add and add a cylinder. So maybe you're wondering why you're adding a cylinder. You're gonna see. So first press R again and Y 90. Sorry. There you go, X 90. And now you want to scale this thing until it's a reasonable size. So let's take a look here. Okay, that's good. I think that's a good size. And if we just go ahead and box select this, I feel like it's faster. You can just move right here just to help you. So you can just keep it like this so that it's just a really long eye. Or if you're like me, I want it to be kind of like a pancake, flat. So you're gonna press S, and you see here on the bottom again, you can press X, Y, or Z for the axis, and you can scale it using the axis. So we're going to be using the x-axis here. We can do, like 9 or 2, anything like that. So, I mean, if we that, it flattens it. So now you know what I mean. You can just see, because, I mean, of course, we're doing it a little, I mean, depending on what direction the snowman is facing, and that's what axis we'll be using. So, of course, you won't be using the axis Z here, because I'm going to show you what that does. So, let's delete that. So we're going to be using the Y axis here. So RY, and let's just be 0.25. So you might not have seen a difference here. Okay, let's get back here. Y 0.25. I think it's no, come on, we put R. That's what happened. Okay, there you go. So you see here now it's like a little tiny like flat, not flat, but like a chip, like a pancake. Yeah, it's like a chip. So let's go ahead here and duplicate this and just put it here where you want the other eye. We're duplicating this because you want the scale to be the same. And now we have that. You can see here we have two eyes and the nose and all that. So let's just shift select everything and join it. So also remember to save here. So I'm just going to call this Snowman Animation and Tutorial. And press save as Blender file. And just save constantly so that you won't lose your project. Okay, now let's go ahead here and move the snowman here. Oh, I just realized we didn't select that. Shift select that and join it. Okay, so now let's put it back relatively in the center. You can see here on the bottom left here, there's like a negative stuff. So you want to try to make it 0. And now make everything 0. That will be in the origin. It might take some time, but it's worth it. Okay, that's close enough. Now let's go Shift C here and add a UV sphere. So these are going to be the buttons. So let's pull this off here, and that's way too huge for a button. So let's scale this thing down here to like a kind of like a dot. I mean, that thing's tiny. So if we just zoom in here, just pull this thing out. Yeah. There it goes. It's tiny. So if you get a good view here, yes. So you can just duplicate this so that you don't have to just do it again over and over again. There we go. Let's just make sure this box select this faster. So now you can see here it's obviously not very centered. So let's pull this out. Okay. Now let's shift select that and join them together. So now you see you have two lovely buttons. Now you're probably wondering about the hands. So let's move this quickly back here to the origin here. That's close enough. Should see, okay. So now you want to add, and you want to take plane. So you can see here, it's not exactly facing the direction. Well, or at least I was expecting what I want. So you want to press R, that's rotate, Y, 90. You can do that, or, you know, X 90. That's the direction I want. It's all depending on what direction your snowman's facing. So you want to scale this down a little bit, and you want to pull this out, and you can't see it at the moment, but you'll see it later. So select this and just pull it out like that. So you don't want it ridiculously wrong, and you just want to, just make it a little skinnier and bam. So we'll get to moving parts a few episodes later after this project. But for now, there aren't going to be any moving parts. Oh man, we don't want the lamp. Here, okay. I don't think there's anything else that we didn't join yet. Yep, everything's joined. Let's undo that. And now we got the snowman. So keep it uncolored for now, or else there might be some trouble here. But yeah, otherwise it's all good. We got the snowman here, the basic snowman. And next episode here, I'm going to teach you how to add other accessories like feathers, of course, or mittens, jacket, scarf, something like that. And I'm also going to start on the next episode. We're going to start the animation process. So anyways, this will be the end of this episode here. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something. So I look forward to the next episode here. See you next time. Peace out.